Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying two essentials. SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator is active, and your payment or wallet is ready. Once done, open the Steam client or the Community Market page and navigate to the item you want to list. Click Sell on the item page to open the listing form. You must set a competitive price, which will show net after the market fee, then confirm the listing draft. This first action triggers a mobile confirmation requirement for security reasons. Now move to the Steam mobile app to complete the middle step, Confirmations. Open the app and tap the menu, then Confirmations. You'll see pending actions listed. Select the listing entry and carefully check the item, price, and fees so you don't authorize a wrong trade. Tap Confirm to approve the market listing. This signs it with your authenticator key. After confirming, wait a few seconds for the server acknowledgement. Refresh the market page to see the item listed live. To finish, refresh the Community Market or your inventory and verify the item appears under active listings. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to wait. Sometimes listings take a few minutes to propagate. If it still fails, open the mobile confirmations again and retry confirming. A key troubleshooting tip: if confirmations fail consistently, resync your phone clock with network time or reinstall the Steam mobile app to restore the authenticator. This resolves most signature or time sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.